Ever wondered why we say "bless you" when someone sneezes? Well, it's not just a polite reflex. Way back in the 6th century, Pope Gregory I thought sneezing could expel evil spirits. So, people started saying "bless you" as a way to protect someone's soul. Later, during the plague in the 1300s, sneezing was seen as a sign of illness. Saying "bless you" became a prayer for good health. Today, we've ditched the spooky stuff, but still say "bless you" out of habit. It's just one of those customs that stuck around. Now you know why. Hit that like button, share this, and subscribe for more quirky history.